The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs in the renal system that filter waste and excess fluid from the blood. They are a vital part of the urinary system and serve a critical function in the body. When the kidneys become damaged due to disease, this function becomes impaired. Over time, the kidneys will lose their ability to filter blood effectively. This can lead to waste buildup, fluid retention, electrolyte imbalances, and other issues. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is a condition where the kidneys are permanently damaged to some degree. It is a progressive disease that can lead to end-stage renal failure if left untreated. At this point, the only options are dialysis or a kidney transplant. Both options come with disadvantages and can significantly impact one's quality of life. Dialysis is a treatment that filters waste and excess fluid from the blood artificially when the kidneys can no longer do so on their own. This is a necessary treatment to prolong life, but it comes with many restrictions and complications. Dialysis must be performed several times per week, with each session lasting 3 to 5 hours. This makes holding a regular job very difficult. Dietary restrictions are also stringent for dialysis patients, limiting intake of fluids, potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. The rapid fluid shifts that occur during dialysis can also cause side effects like cramping, nausea, and fatigue. Dialysis also increases susceptibility to infection since the vascular access point serves as a portal for germs to enter the bloodstream. Over time, the treatment can cause damage to the heart and blood vessels. As such, being tethered to the dialysis machine severely impacts normal daily activities and quality of life. Kidney transplantation can restore normal kidney function and provide freedom from dialysis treatments. However, there is a shortage of donor organs and long wait times for a suitable match. Powerful immunosuppressant medications are required lifelong post-transplant to prevent organ rejection. These medications come with serious side effects like increased infection risk, high blood pressure, and potential kidney damage. Transplant rejection can still occur even with meticulous care, necessitating additional surgery and treatment. As kidney disease progresses, it takes a tremendous toll on the body. Research shows that up to 80% of CKD patients suffer from insomnia and poor sleep quality. This exacerbates feelings of fatigue, weakness, and inability to focus. It also contributes to anxiety and depression. CKD patients commonly experience loss of appetite, unwanted weight loss, and muscle wasting as well. Bone and mineral disorders are also common since the kidneys play a key role in activating vitamin D and regulating calcium. Overall, living with impaired kidney function leads to pronounced declines in stamina, productivity, and vibrancy. The good news is that employing natural methods can help support kidney health and delay progression of CKD to dialysis or transplant. Herbal teas are one complementary therapy that is safe, cost-effective, and easily accessible. Several medicinal plants contain beneficial compounds that can protect kidney cells, reduce inflammation, increase urine output, and provide antioxidant effects. When used consistently, these teas may help preserve kidney function longer and improve related symptoms. Here are 10 of the best herbal teas for supporting kidney health and relieving related issues. Number 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is a popular herb used for its anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and sedative effects. Multiple human and animal studies demonstrate its protective effects on the kidneys. Chamomile extract has been shown to reduce creatinine levels, uric acid, and markers of oxidative stress in those with diabetic kidney disease. It may also attenuate fibrosis and preserve kidney tissue after injury. The anti-inflammatory flavonoids in chamomile help inhibit cytokines that lead to inflammation and tissue damage. This helps stabilize kidney function. Chamomile's mild sedative properties can also promote sleep and reduce fatigue for those with CKD. Drink 1 to 3 cups per day. Those on blood thinners should exercise caution as chamomile may increase bleeding risk. Number 2. Marshmallow Root Tea. Marshmallow root derives its healing properties from mucilage, a gummy-soluble fiber. This gives marshmallow root gelatinous and soothing properties when brewed as a tea. Studies show marshmallow root can help reduce kidney inflammation and prevent overproduction of collagen fibers. This may help slow the progression of fibrosis and development of chronic kidney lesions. The mucilage also forms a protective coating on mucous membranes, reducing irritation in the urinary tract. This can relieve urinary discomfort often experienced with kidney disease. Drink several cups per day. Can also be applied topically for skin irritation. Number 3. Ginger tea. Ginger is a staple herb in traditional medicine, used extensively for its anti-inflammatory effects. Multiple studies confirm ginger's renoprotective properties, preventing toxic damage to the kidneys. Gingerols, shogols, and other active compounds in ginger exhibit antioxidant, cytoprotective, and anti-fibrotic effects on kidney cells. Ginger also inhibits age compounds that can accumulate in CKD and cause protein damage. Through these mechanisms, ginger may preserve kidney structure and function. The warming properties of ginger tea can further stimulate circulation and support detoxification. Drink 2 to 3 cups per day. Avoid large amounts if taking blood thinners. Number 4. Corn silk tea. Corn silk refers to the fine threads extending from an ear of corn. It acts as a diuretic to stimulate urine flow and flush the urinary tract. This helps remove waste and excess fluid from the body. Corn silk also contains allantoin and triterpenoid saponins that reduce inflammation in the kidneys and bladder. Studies indicate corn silk can help prevent kidney stones and bacterial overgrowth in the urinary tract as well. This tea offers gentle support for the delicate urinary system. Drink 1 to 2 cups per day. May increase potassium levels, so use caution if kidneys are unable to excrete potassium properly. 5. Licorice root tea. Licorice root contains triterpenoid glycosides like glycyrrhizin that provide potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-enhancing effects. Research shows licorice root extract helps reduce serum creatinine, blood urea nitrogen, BUN, and uric acid levels in those with kidney disease. It also appears to block the production of inflammatory cytokines. This helps defend kidney cells from free radical damage and immune-mediated destruction. Licorice further stimulates the adrenal glands and production of cortisol to balance fluid retention and electrolyte levels. Drink 1 to 2 cups per day. Avoid large doses and long-term use due to potential side effects. Number 6. Dandelion leaf tea. Dandelion leaf acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine output to flush the kidneys and urinary tract. The leaf contains potassium, which can replenish potassium lost through increased urination. However, those with impaired kidney function may need to moderate intake. Dandelion also exhibits anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties to protect kidney tissue and inhibit infection. Researchers conclude dandelion shows significant promise for supporting kidney health and preventing damage. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily. Monitor potassium levels if kidneys are not functioning optimally. 7. Horsetail tea. Horsetail is an herbal diuretic containing high amounts of silica, potassium, and selenium. Horsetail increases urine output to flush waste from the kidneys while delivering key electrolytes. Silica helps strengthen connective tissue and guard against swelling. Horsetail also has anti-inflammatory compounds that inhibit cytokines. Through its diuretic and tissue protective effects, horsetail improves waste filtration and stabilizes kidney structure and function. Drink 1 to 2 cups per day. Use long-term only with medical supervision due to toxicity concerns. Number 8. Turmeric tea. Curcumin is the active compound in turmeric that gives its vibrant golden color. It is a powerful anti-inflammatory that helps protect the kidneys against damage and disease. Studies demonstrate curcumin's ability to lower creatinine, reduce proteinuria, and inhibit renal fibrosis. It also prevents formation of kidney stones. Turmeric further increases antioxidant status and reduces systemic inflammation. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant combination provides comprehensive kidney support. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily. Avoid if taking blood thinners, as turmeric may increase bleeding risk. Number 9. Green tea. Green tea is rich in epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, a polyphenol with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Research indicates green tea can help prevent diabetic nephropathy and IgA nephropathy. Specific mechanisms include blocking the formation of age compounds, reducing proteinuria, lowering blood pressure, and inhibiting renal fibrosis after injury. Drinking green tea regularly helps defend kidney cells against oxidative damage for improved function. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily. Caffeine content should be monitored. Matcha green tea powder is also an option. Number 10. Goldenrod tea. Goldenrod contains flavonoids that help increase urine flow as a diuretic, clear kidney inflammation, and prevent kidney stone formation. Compounds like saponins exhibit diuretic effects, while rutin strengthens blood vessels to improve circulation. Together, these actions help flush waste from the kidneys and boost antioxidant status. Those with CKD may benefit from improved filtration and reduced inflammation. Drink 1 to 2 cups per day. Avoid large doses during pregnancy. The kidneys play an irreplaceable role in filtering waste and toxins from the bloodstream. When kidney function becomes compromised, the consequences can be devastating with limited treatment options. Dialysis and transplantation allow survival, but come with significant downsides. Supporting the kidneys naturally through diet, lifestyle, and certain herbal teas may help preserve kidney health longer and delay progression of chronic kidney disease. The 10 herbal teas discussed contain various compounds that defend the kidneys against damage in several ways. Their anti-inflammatory properties help regulate cytokines and inhibit immune attack of kidney tissue. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals generated in kidney disease. Diuretics stimulate urine flow to flush the kidneys and urinary tract. Certain herbs also exhibit anti-fibrotic, antimicrobial, and protective effects on kidney cells and tissue. Implementing these herbal teas, along with adequate hydration and a kidney-friendly diet, provides multi-tiered support for optimal kidney function. Herbal therapy may relieve common symptoms like fluid retention, electrolyte imbalance, insomnia, urinary discomfort, and fatigue. When combined with medications and conventional treatments, herbal teas are a safe adjunctive approach to managing various types of kidney disease. Of course, those with kidney disease should consult their doctor before self-treating with herbal teas or supplements. Certain herbs can interact with medications or exacerbate electrolyte imbalances. Medical supervision is advised, especially for those with advanced CKD. Herbal therapy should not attempt to replace conventional medical care. For individuals in the early stages of kidney disease, regularly drinking certain restorative teas may help preserve function and delay progression substantially. Additional kidney protective lifestyle measures like a low-sodium diet, exercise, stress reduction, and adequate sleep combine to support kidney health from all angles. This approach gives the kidneys their best fighting chance and allows one to maintain an optimal quality of life for many years to come. Our kidneys sustain us in so many ways, so it's worth the effort to sustain them in return. I hope you found this overview on the best herbal teas for kidney health informational and empowering. While kidneys diseases such as chronic kidney disease and end-stage renal failure seem daunting, there are many natural ways we can support our kidney function on a daily basis. Diet, lifestyle, and beneficial teas allow us to take control of our health from the inside out. Implementing a kidney-healthy regimen not only preserves function longer, but it helps relieve many problematic symptoms associated with CKD and kidney damage. Herbal teas provide therapeutic plant compounds that get right to the root of kidney inflammation, scarring, and fluid or electrolyte imbalances. When combined with conventional medical care, herbs offer a complement to optimize kidney well-being gracefully. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who may benefit from this topic. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.